Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we write a C++ program to count the number of lowercase, uppercase characters and digits in a string. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel because after 100 viewers, only 3 or 4 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So we have to write a C++ program to count the number of lowercase, uppercase characters and digits in a string. So taking a look at example 1, I have the string as hello world. So number of lowercase characters are 8. Okay, lowercase e double l o, lowercase o r l d, make a total of 8 characters. Number of uppercase characters are 2, uppercase h, uppercase w, number of digits are 0. Similarly, for the second case, we have 15th August 1947. Number of lowercase letters are 7, number of uppercase characters letters are 1, and number of digits are 6. Okay. So I'm going to write a method first to count number of digits. So I'm going to say int count digits. Okay, takes a string s. Alright. The idea to count the number of digits in a string is iterate the string from left to right, pick up each character of the string and check if it is a digit or not. If it is a digit, increment the counter by 1 and finally return the count. Okay. So I start with a counter, num digits is 0. Okay. Finally, we return num digits. Okay, we iterate this string from left to right. Okay, in each iteration we pick up the ith character s of I. So if this character is a digit, we increment the num digits count by 1. Okay, so how to check if this character is a digit or not? You can compare the ASCII values. We know that a single character in C++ is associated with an integer constant which is called the ASCII value of the character. Okay, so if the ASCII value is in the range of digits, okay, from 0 to 9, then it is a digit. So if ch is greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than equal to 9, okay, if the ASCII value of ch is within this range, okay, it means it is one of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means it is a digit. I increment number of digits by 1. Okay, so let me take a string in my main. I'm going to say string s is 15th August 1947. Okay, I'm going to see out. Okay, number of digits, okay, is count digits in this s and change it. Okay, so let me run this. C++. Okay, number of digits are 6 1 5 9 1 9 4 7. Okay, so you can use an alternate approach to check if a single character ch is a digit or not. I'll tell that at the end of the video. Okay, let's move on to writing a method to count lower case characters. Okay, takes a string s. Okay, we have a very similar approach in this case as well. We say int num lowercase characters. We start with a counter set to 0. At the end of the function, we'll return the counter. Okay, alright, we do the same thing. We iterate the string from left to right. Okay, in each iteration we pick up the ith character and we have to check if this character is a lowercase. Okay, again using the same idea of ASCII values. If the ASCII value, if the character was in range 0 to 9, it was a digit. If the character is in range, okay, lowercase a to lowercase z, it means it is a lowercase letter. Okay, so I use the same thing, but instead of 0, I say start from lowercase a and end with lowercase z. Okay, a to z have continuous ASCII values. Okay, so I say number of lowercase characters plus plus. Okay, so very similar two methods. Let me write an output statement lowercase letters count lowercase letters. Okay, so compile, run. Lowercase letters are 7 th ugust. Okay, then we move on to counting the number of uppercase letters. Okay, count uppercase letters. Okay, again very similar approach. Take a counter, set it to 0. Finally we have to return this counter. Now this counter is incremented if my single character is a uppercase. So instead of lowercase a to lowercase z, I do uppercase a to uppercase z, and I do, if this condition is true, I increment number of uppercase characters by 1. Okay, again 3 methods, very similar approach. Okay, similarly lowercase letters, uppercase letters, count uppercase letters. Okay, so compile, run. Okay, lowercase letters are 7, uppercase letters are 1, digits are 6. This is the only uppercase letter and that's count. Okay, so this is your code, okay, to count the number of lowercase letters, uppercase characters and characters and digits in a string. Okay, now coming to alternate approaches is, instead of comparing the ASCII value, you can use the define method in ctype.h, which we include as cc type. So we say if, okay, is digit, okay, it's a predefined method in ctype.h, and you pass the character you want to check for digit. Now this method will return true if this single character ch is a digit, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so if I go back, compile and run, I get the right output again. Okay, similarly for lowercase characters we have an inbuilt method. Okay, in cc type you can say if is lower, okay, and pass ch. Okay, this method will take a single character and return true. Okay, return 1, basically the return type is int, return true if ch is a lowercase character, return false if ch is not a lowercase character. Okay, and similarly for uppercase as well. Okay, is upper and pass ch. Okay, again this method returns 1 true if this single character is an uppercase character, otherwise it returns false. Okay, clearing, compiling, running. Okay, lowercase letters, uppercase letters and digits. Okay, I mean there is one more approach that you can use, is something like this. You can say string digits is all digits in a string 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and you can look for this character within this string. So if this character is any one of these, it means it is a digit. So instead of this you can also do if s digits dot find, okay, ch is not equal to string dot npos. Okay, now find method on this string basically takes a character and looks for this character in this string. If this character is found in this string, it returns the first index where this character is found, where this match is found. If not, it returns this value. This is a constant. Okay, all right. So if this condition is true, it means find returned a valid index. It means ch was somewhere in this string. It means ch is a digit. Okay, you can use the same approach here as well. You can take a string lowercase letters, put all lowercase letters together, but that is more coding, right? We want to write minimum code, maximum efficiency, right? Just telling a new approach to you because sometimes they see how you approach problems in multiple ways, right? And that's important, right? So if I run this again, I get the same output. Oops, compiled again. All right, okay. The final thing, to count the number of characters, both uppercase and lowercase, you have the same approach. Okay, you can use these two ranges. Okay, and you can use an inbuilt method as well. So if I write int count letters, okay, okay, you can say uppercase letters or uppercase characters. I'll say uppercase letters. Let me just rename this to uppercase letters, count lowercase letters, count lowercase letters, count uppercase letters, uppercase letters. Okay, then rename, okay, lowercase letters, then similarly rename lowercase. Okay, so now we simply say num letters is 0. Okay, we iterate the string the same way, pick up the ith character, and we say if is alpha. Is alpha is the method that takes a character, returns true if this is an alphabetic character. Okay, this is a letter, I say num letters plus plus. Okay, so you can say number of letters is count letters. Okay, all right, clear, compile. The number of letters is going to be the sum of lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Okay, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, I change this to hello world. Hello world. Okay, compile, Okay, 8 plus 2, 10 for total number of letters. Okay, the other option could be this, okay, or this, which is this range. Oh, lowercase, sorry, this range. Okay, so if ch is within this range or within this range, then it is a letter. Okay, either lowercase or uppercase. So compile and run again, I get the same output. Okay, so this was the code to find the number of lowercase letters, number of uppercase letters, number of letters, and number of digits in a string. So I hope this video was helpful. You like this video. So if you have any doubts or if there is a part you don't understand in this video, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, right? And you can always let me know in the comments if there is a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments about this video. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.